Hello everyone, today I'm at Newtown, waiting for my City Circle train, so it might be 3 minutes to whatever. It's a Penrith shuttle service, slowing passing Newtown Station. Heading off to Penrith by shuttle service, and yeah, overlook of the station looks very tidy. There's the Newtown Station sign, there's all the please remember sign, and there's another train on platform whatever, down tracks probably, no, up tracks, I don't know. But here's a central service via the North Shore, probably, coming on platform, whatever. It's bouncing a little bit, I don't
The next train to arrive on platform 1 does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind.
It's a bit
the yellow
windy
line.
like when I did a
Please
vlog.
stand clear.
So it's a bit windy, like, it's not that a bit windy, but it's okay. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, let me interview you.
No, I want you.
I want to interview you. Yeah, give it here. Hand it over.
No.
Come on, you're the famous YouTuber, not me.
Anything you want to say?
Yeah, here we are at Newtown on a Saturday afternoon,
Filming some,
watching some trains going past. We're just at McDonald Town.
like, 2 minutes.
Yeah, we didn't get any McDonald's down there. I went off the platform and there's nothing down there.
I told you.
Yeah, I was expecting a whole lot of shops.
No,
I got down there, was just the road, that was it.
I know there was no road.
There was a road there. Yeah, what's this one?
It's a city circle, but it doesn't stop because it's from Leppington. Leppington Forest shuttle service passing platform 2.
Then Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum.
I might wrap this video up. Please like and subscribe. And anything you want to say?
No, I want to interview you.
Bye bye.
I want to interview you.